So I have here a piece of sweater, and we usually wear a sweater when we are feeling very cold, when the temperature is low, or when we are in winter places. We keep wearing this sweater to keep us warm. But does the sweater really produce heat? Let's find out. So to do this, we're going to use a thermometer. So imagine I'm going to put a thermometer. Let's measure the temperature of the surrounding air. Okay, so this is outside. I'm going to place this thermometer outside the sweater, and let's see what is the temperature of the air now. It is about 21 going to 22, is in between. This is the temperature. Now what happens, do you think, what will happen to the temperature if I put it into the sweater? Let's find out. Let me just put it in. Do you think it become higher? It remains the same. I'm going to take it out. This thermometer is now outside the sweater. The temperature remains the same. I put it back in. The temperature remains about the same. So, does the sweater produce heat? Answer is no. So this sweater itself is not a heat source. Got it?